Guys, here we are doing repair to these water tanks. The pipe which were there were the PPR pipes, but they were already worn out because of the direct sunlight, the UV rays. So we decided to use this PPR pipe from a company called DANCO. We decided to use this pipe. They can resist UV rays, so this is what I recommended my client to use. So these the pipes we are using right now. So now installing the valve for the inspection valve for the tank. So guys, be locked so that we can check out the procedure on how to do connect a water tank. Here we are connecting the inlet, the water inlet. This is how we weld the PPR pipes. This is a PPR welding machine. Then here we have a pipe cutter. Check how it cuts a pipe so smooth and accurate. Then here we have the union. This one helps you when you have a valve. This one helps you or enables you to do inspection without cutting any pipe. So these are 32mm PPR union. Here we have these male adapters. Here we have our gate valve. This is how we tighten up the adapters using the pipe wrench. So this pipe we are using from a company called DANCO. They can survive in a direct sunlight. That's why we are using them here at the rooftop to connect our tanks. So guys, if you are within Mombasa, as we know there is strong sunlight, you can use this kind of pipes from a company called DANCO. Check out the amazing job the pipes produce. A very good job. So thank you guys for watching our video till the end. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.